Good morning, friends, and welcome to Project Management Simplified, where we are discussing interesting points on Agile and the project management. So, let's see today's question. Today's question is, what is being Agile? Okay, what is being Agile? Okay, so being Agile means practicing all the Agile processes with deep understanding and deep awareness. Okay, so it is not about just having a documented process but a process which is in action, okay, which has the lean mindset and customer centricity at its heart, and it is driven by the leadership which always promote the learning culture, okay, the continuous learning, and entire team is motivated to achieve the agile goals. Okay, so that's how the agility comes into picture. Okay, and that's where the entire organization will derive the results for the digital transformation. Okay, so agile being agile is not just about framework, but it is about the mindset. Okay, and that can be part of your development process, design process, your requirement gathering when you're discussing with your customer, your testing process, and your release when you're releasing to the customer, your time to market, your go to market strategy, everything is included and considered while you are developing all your plans, all your strategies. Okay, so that is the agile mindset, being agile, and the agility. Thank you, friends. Do let me know if you have any comments, suggestions, and help us grow. Thank you.